Have you ever wanted to automate something in your house but felt intimidated by the hardware side of things? It is common to feel like you need an engineering degree just to get a simple sensor talking to your Wi-Fi network. That is where boards like the ESP8266 NodeMCU come into play. It is a compact, Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller that has become a go-to for home automation enthusiasts because it simplifies the process of connecting your projects to the internet. The primary role of this board is to act as a bridge. It takes inputs from sensors like motion or heat and pushes that data over your home Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor or control your environment remotely. Because it supports languages like MicroPython, it is much more approachable for beginners. You can write simple scripts to handle tasks that would otherwise require much more complex hardware or programming knowledge. A start in ESP8266 NodeMCU V2 V3 appears as an option in the active components space. The important part is whether its role matches your actual use, not just whether the title sounds promising. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or When you are browsing these, you will see mentions of CH340 or CP2102 chips. These are the serial to USB converters. Make sure you check which one is on your board, as it will determine which driver you need to install on your computer. Look closely at the soldering points on the pins. A high-quality board should have clean, consistent joints without excessive flux residue. If the pins are loose, it can cause intermittent connection issues in your final project. A quick word of caution: these boards operate on 3.3 volts. If you try to power them with a standard 5-volt source without a proper regulator, you risk damaging the chip immediately. Always double-check your power source. Currently, you can often find these for around $3 or $4. With a discount of over 50%, it is a very low barrier entry point, but always check the store rating to ensure you are buying from a reliable source. Before you commit, verify the version you are buying. The V2 and V3 models have slightly different form factors, which might affect whether they fit into your existing breadboard or custom 3D printed enclosure. Whether you are starting with a simple thermometer or a full home dashboard, this board is a solid foundation. Check the links below to compare variants and confirm the latest pricing for your own smart home setup.